Welcome to my channel Engineers Concepts. What is process control? A process control is continuous changing of a process variable to desired variable according to the measured feedback variable from the process. A process control system always aims to achieve a process variable at the desired quantity, so that the system is said to be in controlled. What is transmitter? A transmitter is an electronic device that is generally mounted in the field in close proximity to a sensor. The sensor, also known as a transducer, measures a physical variable such as temperature or pressure and outputs a very low-level electronic signal. The basic function of the transmitter is to provide the correct electrical power to turn on, or excite, the sensor, then to read the low-level sensor signal, amplify it to a higher level electrical signal and send that signal a long distance to a control or readout device. What is a smart transmitter? A smart transmitter is a transmitter that uses a microprocessor as the heart of the electronics. They are useful in remote area communication and calibration process. The sensor signal transmitter into a unified standard signal, 0/4-20 MADC, 1-5 VDC, 0-10 VDC. The output control signal is standard such as 4-20 mA. A good smart transmitter ID insensitive to noise. Difference between 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire transmitter. In 2-wire transmitter the power and signal are transmitted through same cable. In 3-wire transmitter the data signal and power are with respect to common ground. In 4-wire transmitter 2 wires for power supply and 2 for signals. Why 4-20 mA preferred over 0-20 mA signal? In 4-20 mA signal, 4 represents the minimal value and 20 mA is maximum value in the signal. With 0-20 mA you cannot distinguish between minimum field value and connection break. In both situations the output will be 0 mA. 4-20 mA, internal circuit can distinguish between connection break of minimum value. Normally when the value is minimum the transmitter will give you 4 mA, while in case of connection breakage it will give 0 mA. What is process control? A process control is continuous changing of a process variable to desired variable according to the measured feedback variable from the process. What is field bus? Field bus is a general term for a digital-only, high-speed communications protocol. The key attribute to field bus communications is higher speed communications with the possibility of addressing multiple transmitters all on the same field wiring. What are the flow measuring instruments used in flow measurement? Differential pressure meters, positive displacement velocity meters. What type of pressure sensors used in pressure measurement? Manometers, Bourdon tubes, bellow elements, diaphragm elements, DP transmitters. What is control valves? A control valve is a final control element, which restricts the flow of liquid through the channel. What are the specifications of the control valve? Flow medium and operating temperature, flow rate kg/hr or nm3/hr, max/min/normal, inlet and outlet pressure, kg/cm2, max/min/normal, max allowable diff. Pressure, kg/cm2, a density of medium, kg/m3, viscosity CV, valve flow coefficient, actuator, body, trim, diaphragm, diaphragm plate, actuator stem, actuator spring, seat, travel indicator, valve stem, gaskets, yoke, hand wheel. What is field bus? Field bus is a general term for a digital-only, high-speed communications protocol. The key attribute to field bus communications is higher speed communications with the possibility of addressing multiple transmitters all on the same field wiring. Can I split my 1T/C signal to 2 separate instruments? The T/C signal is a very low-level millivolt signal, and should only be connected to one device. Splitting to 2 devices may result in bad readings or loss of signal. The solution is to use a dual T/C probe, or convert one T/C output to a 4-20 mA signal by using a transmitter or signal conditioner. Then the new signal can be sent to more than one instrument. Explain working of thermocouple. Thermocouple consists of 2 different metals, which are joined together. when the junction of two dissimilar metals is exposed to temperature, and voltage induced across the metals. What is control valves? A control valve is a final control element, which restricts the flow of liquid through the channel. Thanks for watch my video.